channel Empty Buddy. I'm your buddy Subinaya, and today I'm in the kitchen. As you can see, Pranav and me had a terrible fight and I don't feel good about it. I want us both to become best buddies again. So I thought of making chocolate for him as it's his favorite dish, isn't it? So let's get started. The ingredients that you need to make your own chocolate are: you need half a cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And you also need a spatula, a vessel which is filled with 2 cups of water and a container. I'm using a glass one here. And if you have a silicone mold, you can use that to pour your chocolate in it. As I don't have a silicone mold, I'm using the tray which is used to freeze ice cubes, as you can see here. So let's get started. First, we need to on the stove. As I'm old enough to do it, I'm not going to be using the help of my parents. But if you're not old enough and if you still don't know how to do it, make sure you take the guidance of an adult. Now we need to place this glass container on top of it. You can even use a steel container. Okay, so now first we need to pour our butter into it. It looks really pretty. Next is the powdered sugar. Now we need to stir it continuously. The powdered sugar needs to melt a bit, so let's keep stirring till then. Now we need to add the cocoa powder and stir it continuously. You can even add vanilla essence if you want. Now we need to add the milk powder to it. Now stir it continuously again. It's actually not sticking. What do I do? Oh my god. It is really silky. And it smells really good too. It doesn't stick at all. So friends, the mixture is really tasty and mouth-watering. Now it's time to transfer our awesome mixture into our mold. So friends, as you can see, I'm done. Pop! And then now it's done. Let's just let it freeze for 1 to 2 hours. So friends, the chocolate is ready. Now, before I go give it to Penna, he's actually playing there, I need to do a teeny tiny taste test. Let me take the smallest one. This right here. I love it, Penna. Come on. I'm extremely sorry about the fights. One matter of a friendship, I bought you this awesome chocolate. I made it myself. Why didn't you taste and promise me that we won't fight?
I didn't think about it.
Oh, come on, just take one.
Okay. Oh, goody, cutie, thingy.
Yeah, I take one.
Yummy.
Not you. Right.
Thanks, Akka.
Welcome, Pranav. Shall we be friends forever?
Okay.
So friends, hopefully you liked this video. And if you found it useful, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated to make more such fun videos. Till then, let's play, learn and grow together. Bye-bye. Oh my god.